What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. Your boy finally copped some boots. Problem is, I can't decide which ones I like best. So we're gonna check them out. Drop the beat. All right, y'all. So first up, we got the Dainese. I don't know how to pronounce it, so we're gonna call them the Dainese. The torque, 3 ounce. So we'll check these out first. And we also got the Alpinestars SMX Plus Vented. So let's check out these Dainese. Now, I've seen pictures, but God damn! Ooh! Oh, they're so icy. Now I know y'all are thinking, man, why in the hell would you want some white motorcycle boots? Man, look how clean these is. You can't even hate on those. This is why I call them the Dainese. Them things is nasty in a good way. All right, let's see what Alpinestars got. Oh, damn. Whew. You know, I was worried about these being, that cheap. Well, not cheap, but that fluorescent orange looking color. But this is a nice, solid, saturated red. Oh yeah. All right, for those of y'all who follow me on the gram, y'all saw that poll I put up asking which ones y'all like better. And most people went with the Alpinestars. Now I'm looking at them side by side. I do think this boot's shape is sexier. If this boot came in all white, oh, man. I do like these better though, the overall look. Both are clean, but you know, I like being a little flashy. This is definitely a more flashy boot because it's all white. But my concern is with this plastic, I'm about 99% sure that this will yellow over time. Now, keeping them clean, I ain't worried about that, but yellowing is hard to correct. So that's got me leaning towards them Alpinestars. Whew. So let's try them out. That tongue go, oh. Damn. Got this here to lace it up. Tighten it down. Snatch that in. Now, of course, you know, pants would fit up in there. But, woo, off the rip, these is pretty nice. These don't feel much off of a regular basketball shoe. Yo, these things right chill, stupid comfortable. Look, you ain't hit your stanky leg in anything right here, boy. Nah, but for real, these feel like some regular basketball shoes with a little bit more ankle support, of course. Let's try on the Dainese. Immediately, these don't feel as comfortable. It's a little tighter. Immediately. Oh, and I got bunions. So these gonna have to be a no-go. I could already tell off the fit. Nah, it's still just a tighter toe box overall, it feels like. Yeah, man, these ain't gonna work for you, boy. But that's all right, because I'm thinking this is gonna yellow anyways. And you know we don't like looking dingy. But overall comfort, if I didn't have a screw in my foot that this was pressing on, kind of, they're definitely not as comfortable as those Alpinestars. These feel a little bit more like how you would expect a motorcycle boot to feel. Now let's see how it feels on my other foot that doesn't have a screw in it. It's a lot more rigid. And this foot has worse of a bunion. You can see that thing poking through the damn shoe. Yeah. Yeah, dog, I ain't gonna walk around in these. These ain't it. That ain't it, Chief. So, I guess I'll be sending these back because, you know, your boy, you ain't got money like that. Hey, man, thank y'all for tuning in. That's all I got. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Damn, buoyant. God damn. Peace. One thing I forgot to mention with these things is they're both size 45, but 45, according to Alpinestars, is a 10.5 in the US. And according to Dainese, it's 11.5 in the US. This is more accurate. It's more of an 11.5 than it is a 10.5. I wear an 11 to an 11.5 in my sneakers. So keep that in mind if you're gonna order some Alpinestars. So price for these things, they're relatively close. I believe these were about $369 and these were $399. So they're close. All right, so with the obvious features of these boots, these are much more vented, much more perforated, will push and move a lot more air. So this might not be that great in the winter time. It probably won't be. This is still vented, but it's not as vented as you can see. So this will probably be a better year-round boot. Now, of course, obviously these are white. They're gonna be much harder to keep clean, but that was the sacrifice I was willing to make. But these are just that much more comfortable, and I actually kind of like the whole look of this better. The back of this boot is nicer than the back of that boot. That's for sure. But overall, man, both feel like solid constructions. Both really stabilize your ankle. I do like that this has two forms of entry. The little rollerblade ratchet strap thing and the zipper here on the side. I like that. That feels more secure than the zipper in the back. And they both have the inner shoe here type thing, which you tighten up. Both of them have it. Here it is in here. It's a little different because you enter from the back, of course. And it's got this little shoe thing here as well. Both very solid. This one's a little cheaper. I also like the Dainese a little better because, I mean, the logo branding ain't as obvious. I mean, yeah, they have their name there and the logo here, but it's all white as opposed to it being a contrasting logo and branding all up and down the side. This toe slider is not as branded, but everything else is. But yeah, man, they're both beautiful. Damn, buoyant. God damn. Peace.